For number 3, we have a rectangular page. It is supposed to contain 24 square inches of print. The margins of the top and the bottom of the page are 1.5 inches, and the margins on the left and right are 1 inch. Now, there is a picture of this on page 258 in your book. Let me see if I can sketch it out here without making a huge mess. So this is our page, and then we have text on the inside of it. And they called the text X and Y in that order. And then this top margin here is 1.5. So this entire side is X plus 3. And then the side margins, this margin is 1. And so this entire side is Y plus 2. So that's that section. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The picture in the book is clearly much better than mine. Okay, and we want to use the least amount of paper. So our primary equation that we are trying to minimize is the area of the paper. So our area is that entire part, X plus 3, Y plus 2. All right, now that has 2 separate variables in it. So our secondary equation is this 24 square inches of print, okay? This part in the middle with the text is X times Y equals 24, okay? So we're going to solve that secondary equation for, it doesn't matter which one, I'm going to solve for Y. So we get 24 over X, and we'll plug that in over here into the primary. So we have X plus 3 and 24 over X plus 2. And I think before I take the derivative of this, I'm going to go ahead and multiply that out, FOIL it out. So I get 24 plus 2x plus 72 over x, which I'm going to rewrite like that, plus 6. So I get 30 plus 2x plus 72, x to the negative 1. Okay. So now we'll take the derivative of this and set it equal to 0, because remember we're trying to minimize this. So our derivative, the derivative of 30 is 0. So we get 2 minus 72 over x to the negative 2. And we're going to set that equal to 0. So we get 2 equals 72 over x squared. Let's bring that up here. Multiply both sides by x squared. We get 2x squared equals 72. And we'll take the square root again, since we're talking about dimensions. It's just going to be 6. So if x is 6 inches, come back over here to the secondary to plug in for y, and y needs to be 4 inches. Now, I don't think that's what the question was asking for. It wanted to know the dimensions of the page. So to find the dimensions of the page, we need to plug into this. So the page is going to be 9 inches by, and we're going to plug into this for our y, by 6 inches.